Hey guys, my name's Chris and I am the newest member of the 3D Printing Canada YouTube family. A little bit about me. I have been a designer in one way or another for over 20 years. I've done a lot of 3D modeling over that time span, kind of fell out of it for a while, came back into it, kind of with a force when 3D printing got more popular. Now I own and operate my own 3D printing company called Versus 3D. And we might put a little link in the box down there. So hope you guys are ready to stay tuned. We're gonna have a lot of great stuff for you. So don't forget to hit the button. It's up here, or I don't know where we're gonna put it, but somewhere it says subscribe. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned because we hope to have a lot of really great stuff coming. Take care.